Okay, third graders, we want to go ahead and give you some easy and quick tips for how to find all of your virtual assignments. So the first video that we're going to give to you is we're going to show you how to get onto Classlink. So what you're going to do from home is you're just going to open up Google, and you can do this one of two ways. You can go to our Normal Park website and you can click on grade levels, third grade. If you scroll on down to the side, we have added virtual learning at home. So you can click on virtual learning at home, and these will be like some troubleshooting tips. But we also have the Classlink website. So the Classlink website is located on our Normal Park third grade webpage. Okay, so once you click this link, this is going to take you straight to where you sign on to this amazing kind of like a vehicle for all of our virtual assignments. So once you are here, you're going to click Sign In with Google. So you click Sign In with Google, and those are my accounts, so I'm going to use another account. I'm going to use a student account so that it will show you what it looks like as a student. So this is the email address that has been provided to you by your child's teacher. It may be on a label, on a folder. You may have received it in an email. They're coming home in different ways, but this is your child's HCDE email address. Okay, so once you have typed in your email, you're going to click Next. Then you're going to enter a password, and this is going to be your birthday, or your child's birthday, I should say. And you're going to click Next. Okay, once you have signed in, now you have all of these different apps that we're going to be utilizing in our classrooms. It's all right here. So if your child has an iReady assignment, they can just click the iReady button and it will launch right into their iReady account. You don't have to have a separate username and password. Everything is going to be in here. So this is how you get into Classlink, and if you run into any trouble, please email your child's teacher. We are here to help. We don't want this to be frustrating, but we want to make sure that your child can be successful. So this is how you log into Classlink.